So that's the last step. So you have to learn how to solve this thing. Just hold your Rubik's cube like that. Right TL one time, left TL one time. Then right TL 5 times, left TL 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it can't solve, then you have to do this step, doing it like that and that. So I will be doing like that. Okay, I'll come so I can do speedily. Okay. I'm doing like that, but you can do like that because I am not. Okay. Five times this. So this corner will be solved, or any other corner will be solved. Then you have to do if any one corner will be probably solved. So you have to do like that, or you can solve like but you have to hold this side like in facing yourself. I'm sitting like that. Can you see? I'm sitting like that, so I install like that, and so just do that same steps again and again until the cube can't solve. Wow, it's solved. So you'll notice that the cube is solved completely. So see it around. I solved. Just say to your mom and dad, I solved my cube first time. Well, just see the steps. It's completely solved, and that's short amount of video. You can solve in 10 minutes like that, but you have to practice this step again and again and again and again to do like that best thing. Bye guys, like, share, subscribe my video. If you want to see more videos like Rubik's Cube solving, then comment down below so I can show you. Bye guys.